Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about coughing and sneezing. So we need to cough and sneeze safely to make sure we don't get sick. So when we are coughing and sneezing, we need to cough into our elbow or into a tissue. When we are finished coughing and sneezing, we need to put our tissue in the bin. So then we need to wash our hands with soap or sanitizer. Stay safe, everyone.